Hey y'all, it's Fiera again, and welcome back to What the Flip. I know I'm in a weird location, but I just happened to be in my car and I realized I needed to film an intro, so that's why we're here. There's that. All right, so for today's video, I'm gonna be making some DIY shelves for the Lash room, so that pretty bitty will have somewhere to store those containers that I upcycled in the first Lash room video. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. Oh, I'll put a link right here, maybe. So make sure you check that out. If you're interested in seeing how I made these shells, make sure you keep watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future flips. All right, deuces out. So first, you have to stir the stain. On the container, it says do not shake it. It'll get bubbly and it won't look right. So stir, 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 stir from the bottom. Make sure it's all mixed up. I've never done this before. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Right here, all I did was use an old piece of white t-shirt to put the stain on the wood. I didn't know what I was doing, but I think it turned out good. L before, the after. So y'all have to excuse the shakiness of the camera. My cameraman was, I believe, 9 years old, and my nephew. But anyways, I was using a piece of paper to mark the holes on the shelf where I was going to put the bracket, and then you'll just see me nail the bracket to the board. And before I actually screwed the brackets to the board, I went in and drilled some holes just to make sure, like, it made it easier to put the screw in the right spot whenever I had the bracket in the way. And then it also, well, they say drilling holes first helps prevent the wood from splitting when you're screwing into it. Right here, I'm just marking the holes. I'm using a bracket to mark the hole on the wall with a highlighter, because I'm gonna have to drill the holes first and then put some anchors in there just to make sure the shelf can hold a little bit more weight. So that's what I'll be doing next, just drilling the holes and then adding the anchors. That white thing is the anchor. Now I'm just about to go back in and screw the brackets to the wall through the anchor. And I repeat that. You just repeat that for however many shelves you made and wanna hang.
My little arms ain't tired. Bro. To work. Put that one in the middle.
Ta-da! Done.